Hello, all of my lovelies. It's Melissa from the Turtle Nail Salon. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you if you enjoyed this video to please give it a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel, and to ring the bell. That way you'll always be notified when I post a new video. Today I am doing some origami nails featuring MoYou London Origami Collection 05. And for color, I am doing C&D Shellac Cream Puff and Gummy. And for stamping polish, CJS 1. And then I'll seal this design with the Beamy Beauty Box Ultra Matte Top Coat. This first one, I think, is supposed to be an octopus. Then we've got a dolphin. And then a seahorse. And then a sea turtle. And then a seashell. All right, I'm going to seal these up with the Beamy Beauty Box Ultra Matte Top Coat and then put them in my LED lamp for 1 minute to cure. And that is the finished look. I love how these turned out. I love ocean theme nails. Well, thank you for joining me today and watching my video. Have a gorgeous day. Bye.